2017 Chevy Traverse Premium Preferred, aka top of the line, 85,000 miles here at Autorama Auto Sales. Hi, I'm Carter, the owner. Let me tell you about it. It's 85,000 miles. It's a clear Carfax. It's a two-owner. It's a local trade. It's been independently inspected. The oil's just been changed. Just got a front brake job on it. Otherwise, it passed with flying colors. It's super clean. Yeah, let's, like I said, it was inspected. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade that very reasonably in the finance office. Speaking of financing, we're not going to keep you here all day. Get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com, and we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. That's right. We're not going to keep you here all day trying to sell you all that junk. We don't want you here all day. You don't want to be here all day. What else can we tell you? Well, it's got quad seats. So it's got seating for 6, 2, 2, and 2. Got the big touchscreen, factory navigation, Bose, remote start, heated and cooled seats up front, powered seats up front. Look at that, no moonroof, no noisy, leaky, broken moonroof. Doesn't have one. Heated seat, or heating steering wheel. Again, got the quad seats, navigation, all your hookups down there. Tow package. This one has a factory tow package. So, yeah, there it is. It's the Premier. General Motors, they like to change everything up every few years. It's hard to tell what's top of the line. In 2017, this was top of the line. What else can we tell you? Oh, let's talk about price. I won't have the lowest price around. Not advertised anyway. But I don't have hidden fees. We don't have excessive. We have a $145 dock fee. The national average is closer to $500. We're at $145. There it's disclosed. Otherwise, the price you see is the price you pay. We don't have the, we did a reconditioning on it. We changed the oil on it. That's not a separate fee. Dealers do that garbage so they can advertise low prices, but they still make you pay it. We don't do it. It's dishonest. It's probably illegal. So let's recap. 2 owners, 85,000 miles, top of the line with quads, all-wheel drive. Fresh service, fresh detail, independently inspected. We're buying you a 12-month warranty. We have fast financing, and best of all, we don't have the hidden fees. That's the Autorama advantage.